Welcome to today's tutorial on how to delete old follow requests on Instagram using your PC. With the latest update, managing your follow requests has become easier than ever. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Go to the official Instagram website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your feed. Next, look for the notifications icon located on the left side menu. This icon resembles a heart and will take you to your notifications page where you can manage various interactions on your account. Once you're on the notifications page, click on Follow Requests. This section will display all the follow requests you have sent out, allowing you to see who has not yet accepted them. Now, it's time to find the specific follow request you want to delete. Scroll through the list of pending requests until you locate the one you wish to remove. If you have a long list of requests, this might take a moment, so be patient as you search. After finding the follow request you want to delete, simply click on the delete option next to that request. This action will immediately remove the request from your list, and the person will no longer see that they have a pending follow request from you. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an old follow request on Instagram using your PC. With these simple steps, you can keep your follow requests organized and ensure that you're only reaching out to accounts you're genuinely interested in following. Thank you for joining this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your social media accounts effectively. Happy Instagramming!